Welcome to the backstage of a mutual fund, where your investments are tracked, analyzed, and managed by professionals. Every day, fund managers dive deep into the markets. They scan sectors like banking, pharma, tech, studying trends, balancing risks, and adjusting portfolios. Think of it like assembling an efficiently tuned machine. Every component, every company is chosen for a reason, carefully aligned to your fund's objective. Whether it's growth, income, or long-term stability, when markets move, this team doesn't panic. They rebalance, they recalculate, they respond, not react. While you go about your life, this quiet engine is working in the background, driven by research, built on discipline. And every SIP you invest, it powers this engine even further. Because behind every mutual fund, there is a strategy. Behind every strategy, a team. And behind that team are your financial goals, being managed with care. Mutual funds, professionally managed, built for long-term planning. Reach out to know how mutual funds can support your goals. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risk. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.